Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to reset Macos Ventura now, so first back up with Time Machine or a full clone and verify it boots. That protects your files. Next, sign out of iCloud, iMessage, and your Apple ID in system settings to avoid activation locks. Make sure the Mac is plugged into power, connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and you're logged in as an administrator. Once those prerequisites are done, restart into Mac OS Recovery to begin the wipe and reinstall sequence. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and show all devices so you can select the internal physical drive instead of just a volume. Erase using apps for SSDs or Mac OS Extended for older drives, set GUID partition map, then confirm the erase. Close Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS Ventura. This will download the appropriate installer and install a fresh system. Make sure you remain connected to the internet and do not interrupt the power. The installation can take 20-60 minutes depending on your connection. After installation, you'll see the Setup Assistant. Create a new admin account or skip to leave the Mac at the activation screen for a new owner. Use Migration Assistant later to selectively restore files, apps, and settings from your Time Machine or clone. If the reinstall fails, reset NVRAM and SMC, then retry recovery. If problems persist, create and boot from a Mac OS Ventura bootable USB installer. This single troubleshooting step fixes most firmware or startup issues. If it still fails, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.